67% of web accessibility experts check this feature first. It's keyboard navigation. And honestly, so many websites get it wrong. If you can't use a mouse, maybe due to a motor disability, or if you rely on a screen reader which uses keyboard commands, a site without keyboard support is basically unusable. You're literally shutting people out. What are the biggest fails? Missing focus indicators. That little box or outline showing where you are when you hit the tab key? Sometimes designers hide it for looks, but boom, keyboard users are lost. Then you've got keyboard traps, where you tab into a pop-up or a weird widget and suddenly you can't tab out. Infuriating. An illogical focus order? Tabbing through a page shouldn't feel like you're jumping randomly all over the place. This isn't just about compliance rules like WCAG. It's about real people trying to shop, bank, or access info. Plus, screen readers and other assistive tech depend on it. If keyboard nav is broken, a lot of other things break too. The good news? Fixing it is doable. Start by ditching your mouse and just using the tab key on your own site. Can you get everywhere? Is it obvious where you are? Make sure focus styles are visible and clear. Structure your HTML logically so the tab order makes sense. Ensure every button, link, and widget works with the keyboard, not just a mouse click. Test it yourself. Automated tools miss a lot here. Seriously, getting keyboard navigation right is foundational. It makes your site more robust and usable for way more people. Check your site. You might be surprised what you find.